Welcome back to our Klaviyo course. Now that we have set up your Klaviyo account and connected it to Shopify, it's time to take a critical next step, organizing your customer data in the right way. So think of your email marketing as a high-performance engine. Without properly structured data, your campaigns won't run smoothly. You will face deliverability issues, poor engagement, and missed opportunities. But with a well-organized list, you'll be able to send targeted, high-converting emails that drive the real results. So in this lesson, I will walk you through number 1, how to sync customer data from Shopify seamlessly. Number 2, how to create and import list in Klaviyo. And number 3 is best practices for keeping your list organized and optimized. And by the end of this video, you will have a clean structured customer list that sets the foundation for powerful email marketing campaigns. So now let's dive in and get started. So first is understanding lists and segments. So lists and segments are two primary ways Klaviyo organizes your audience. So list is the static groups of contacts. Customers are added manually or through integrations and stays here unless they are removed. So it is ideal for general email subscribers, newsletter list, and VIP customers. And segments are dynamic groups that update automatically based on customer behaviors. For example, you can create a segment of customers who have purchased in the last 30 days or those who haven't opened an email for 6 months. So since we are building our foundation list, we will focus on creating a list first. So we are on this Klaviyo dashboard, and here on the left hand side you can see list and segments option. So simply click on this, and then you can see all the list will be appeared here on the screen itself. So we are going to create a new list first. So first you can click on this create new option, which is at the top right. So simply click this, then you will get the option of create list. So simply click this. And here you'll be asked to provide a name and tag. For now, I'm going to keep newsletter, and you can even put an appropriate tag here. And after you have put your name and tag, you can simply click on this create list at the bottom of the screen. You can see, and simply click this. After that, go into the settings option. As you can see on the top of the screen, click this and go to the consent option. As you can see on the screen, scroll it down. And here you will be asked to choose in an opt-in process. So you are given two options, which is a double opt-in and a single opt-in, as you can see on the screen. So single opt-in are for the customers who are immediately added upon signing up, and double opt-in are for those customers who receive a confirmation email before being added, ensuring higher email deliverability and compliance. So I am going to recommend you to choose the single opt-in, but it totally depends upon your preference on which you choose and suitable for you. So I'm going to choose single opt-in and simply click on this save option, as you can see on the screen. And there you go. So our settings have been saved. And going back, you'll be taken to this dashboard where there are several options. So as you can see on the screen, there are create a sign-up form, set up a subscribe page, or upload a contact. So first, let's talk about the sign-up form. So you can easily create a sign-up form that integrates with your websites to collect email addresses. So I'll be creating a more detailed video about this one soon, but for now, just know that you can fully customize the form to match your brand's look and feel. You can choose whether to place it on your website or whether as a pop-up or on an embedded form. And the best part is you can sync your sign-up form directly with Klaviyo, so your new subscribers are automatically added to your list. And if you're looking to track conversions from specific ads, don't worry. I will show you to add tracking links in your form. So next up is we have subscribers page. As you can see on the screen. So once someone subscribes to your list, they land here. The page can be customized to give them a warm welcome or even offer a discount for signing up. It's a great way to keep the engagement going right after they have joined in to your list. And another cool feature is that you can grab the URL of your subscriber page and you can use it in your ads. So this means you can promote your sign-up forms directly on your ad campaigns, making it easier to convert potential customer right from your ad to your subscriber list. And go back, and then you have upload contacts, which we are going to do in this video. So simply click this, and then It will ask you to upload the contacts that you want to add to your list. So you can simply drag and drop your CSV file, creating in a spreadsheet. So the spreadsheets look like this. So as you can see on the screen, I have created 5 rows. So in the first row, I have kept an email showing different emails of the members that I want to add. Then on the second row, I have the numbers. In the third, I have kept their first name. And in the fourth, I have asked a question such as, do you like black? So they can answer in yes or no. And in the fifth is the SMS consent. So make sure you have put the SMS consent format in the right way. So you can simply export it in a CSV form, as you can see on the screen, or you can copy all, and then copy it. Go to the Klaviyo dashboard, and on the screen you have a small option, as you can see on the screen, which says switch to copy and paste. So simply click this, and here you can paste it. And after you have pasted, on the top right, you can see the next option. Simply click this. And there you go. Our contact list has been imported. And here you can enable and disable several things, such as you have email, phone number, first name, and also the questions that I have asked in the spreadsheet I have mentioned before, and the SMS consent. So here you can disable the options that you like. So here it says the SMS consent, but for now I don't want to enable this, so I am simply going to disable, and it will totally depend upon your preference which you want to enable and disable for your list. So after doing all this, go to the next option on the top right, and simply click this, and then it will ask you, did these contacts subscribe to email marketing messages? And you get 2 options here, as you can see on the screen, which is yes and no. On the yes, you can update subscription status for all imported contacts to subscribe, and in the no, you can import without updating subscription status. So I'm going to choose no for this video, and after this, simply click on this import option on the top right. And there you have it. So that now our contact list has been imported. Go on the list and segment option, and the imported contact list will appear here, as you can see on the screen. So simply click this, and there you have it. Our imported list has been synced in Klaviyo. After the import is complete, Klaviyo will display the number of successfully added contacts, and if there are any errors, you can review and fix them before finalizing. And there you have it. You have successfully synced your Shopify customer data, created a list, and import your contacts into Klaviyo. Now your email marketing foundation is solid, and you are ready to start engaging with your audience in the right way. But we have just getting started. Now that you have a well-organized list, the next step is to grow it with a high converting sign-up form. In the next video, I will show you how to design a sign-up form that attracts new subscribers and boosts your email marketing efforts. So make sure you watch the next lesson.